So welcome back guys to our YouTube channel Being Business, and today we will be talking about the success story of India's Warren Buffett, the one and only big bull Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Today we will be knowing that how Rakesh Jhunjhunwala became so successful. We will be knowing about the success story of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, his investment strategies and also his portfolio. So today's video is going to be a very interesting video and also a very informative one. So please watch this video till end, and you can also subscribe our channel. So here we go. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is an Indian businessman and a stock trader. He manages his own portfolio as a partner in his asset management firm Rare Enterprises. During his early life, Rajesh grew up in a Agarwal family in Bombay, where his father worked as Commissioner of Income Tax in Bombay. He was born on 5th of July in 1960 and he is currently 60 years old. His net worth is 460 crores dollars as per year 2021. If we talk about the education of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, so he is a chartered accountant. He is the owner of Rare Enterprises. He is an investor and also a film producer. So if we talk about the investment philosophy of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, so his strategy is influenced by George Soros' trading strategies and Mark Faber's analysis of economic history. He supports the rule that the trend is your friend. His investment philosophy says buy right and hold tight. He is currently known as the Big Bull of India. According to Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, markets are about money, but also markets are also about knowledge. Markets are also about egos, and markets are also about the satisfaction of having been proved right, especially when that right is from an original thought and not from a guided source of following somebody. So according to him, the market is not all about money, but also about knowledge and many things. According to him, if you want to make money in the stock market, one important lesson that you should learn is to be patient. According to him, patience is one of the most important quality an investor should have to invest in stocks. So if we talk about the portfolio of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, so his portfolio includes Titan Company Limited, Tata Motors, Lupin, Fortis Healthcare, Escorts, Jubilant Pharma, NCC, Rallis India, Nazara Technologies, Federal Bank, Tata Communications, Multi Commodity Exchange of India, Delta Corp, Indian Hotels Company, AP Tech, Agrotech Foods, TV18 Broadcast, Karur Vyasa Bank, Vatek Wabag, Geojet Financial, VIP Industries, Orient Cement Limited, Prakash Industries, Anant Raj Limited, Man Infra Construction Limited, DB Realty, GMR Infrastructure, India Bulls Real Estate, First Source Solutions, Ion Exchange, the Mandhana Retail Ventures, Prakash Pipes, Autoline Industries, Bilcare Limited, and more. There are 24 different stocks in Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's portfolio. The total value of his portfolio is around 15,000 crore INR. Top stocks holding by him is Titan, Lupin and Crystal. So if we talk about the tips that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala gives to young investor, so these are: never depend on historical data, avoid emotional investments, conduct research, and long-term investments. He believed that a firm believer of long-term investments, Mr. Rakesh once said that it is important to give investments time to mature. So this was all for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and you can also subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.